guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be going to get my hair re-bleached. Now, I'm not just doing my normal like ombre into blonde from brown. I usually get my hair done like almost every year or around there. I actually have a vlog last December that was part of my Vlogmas series where I got my hair done like this, which is what I always do. But for today, we're doing something different, and I'm actually kind of nervous because I don't know how it's gonna look on my hair. I've never done anything but ombre.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be cute.
Yeah, but like, I'm bringing the blonde up a lot more, and I'm actually doing a shadow root. If you guys don't know what that is, I'll insert pictures that I'm going to be showing my hairdresser just as like a reference. It's basically not touching your roots with dye at all, so it's kind of like an ombre, but it's a lot more up like to your head. Like an ombre is like from here down or however high you want it, but a shadow root basically shows your natural roots, and then like it kind of looks like highlights. Basically almost my whole head is gonna be blonde. I like the more like yellow toned blondes. I don't want to like brassy, but I'm gonna tell her that I don't like the like ice white or like anything silverish. So it's currently 4:35 and my appointment is at 5 o'clock. And I'm also going to be trimming some off of the bottom. I'm not going to be going too short. You guys know I've fought for this long hair. I used to have it like up to my shoulders, and then I've just been trying like hair growth shampoos, vitamins, like everything to get my hair this long. And I will admit that it is like very dead at this point. This is going to be like the third or the fourth time that I'm going to be doing anything to my hair, but before I've been ombreing it, which was only a couple times, I actually never touched my hair with any type of color. So my hair is in like pretty good condition. Like I didn't like damage it like terribly. I know bleaching is really bad for your hair, but that's like really the only thing that I've ever done to it, and it was only a couple times. But I think after this time of getting it bleached and stuff, I'm going to be trying to keep my best care of it that I can. I'm going to be doing hair masks, and I do keep regular care of it now, but I just like really want it to grow as healthy as possible. And I know right now it's kind of like not the healthiest. Like my hair is at this length right now, and it's like right about to my waist, so probably just going to be getting it like maybe that much off. Definitely not going above that, but again, I'll see what she suggests. Like, she's the hairdresser here, not me. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the mall now. It is a little bit early, but I don't want to be late. I also forgot to mention that I didn't straighten my hair, so this is just my natural hair, like how it is after it dries. I took a shower last night, and that's where we're at. With that, I have Darian with me to help me film for you guys. She took off some, but not too much, which is good. So she left some out, which I think is considered highlights. I'm not sure for a fact, but this is gonna sit for 20 minutes, and I'll check back in with you guys after 20 minutes has passed. It is now almost 6 o'clock. It's now 6:20, and she's gonna start mixing the toner. So I'm now home from the salon, and this is the final result under better lighting with my LED ring light. And you guys, I absolutely love it. It is perfect, and I'm not just saying that, like, I really don't think it could have came out any better. And I'm really particular with my hair just because it's one of my favorite features, and I hate to be picky, but she did everything that I asked. She didn't touch my roots, so they remained the same color, and they're like highlights. So as you can see, there's like strokes of like my natural hair color as well. And when she did the trim to the bottom, she did do the V-shape like I asked as well. And my hair just feels so soft and healthy. She's literally so amazing, you guys. I'll leave her information down below. Huge thank you to Rose. I don't trust anybody else with my hair. Yeah, I love it. This is definitely what I'm going to be going to when I get my hair done again in like a year or so. I think this has definitely topped the normal ombre that I do, and I'm really glad that I tried something new. I'll insert some pictures and videos so you guys can get a better overall look at it. But yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me and just video suggestions in general. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.